say it's Wednesday. They say, what time is it? I say it's 8:31. It's June 16, 2021. It's a Wednesday, guys. Let's see. I'm still on NASDAQ. I'm on NASDAQ today, 0.01. Let's see, but I do have about 0.25 up there. Let's check. I hope the swaps are not that bad. The swaps are not that bad. About $57, $56 on 0.01. Let's check the full equity, $39,000. Don't fight the market. 0.01s, you can still make something out of them if you're patient enough. Let's see. About $4,000. That is on 0.25. It gave us around $4,000, which is good. Check the entry. Check the entry. Perfect entry from here. It went all up. From here, nice buys. Of course, we are on NASDAQ. We are on NASDAQ, of course. Remember that yesterday I pulled, I made about $12,000 yesterday. Let's see, it's the same account. From 12,000 to where? Actually 13,000 with the balance. So now it's on 13,000 and now it's sitting on $52,000. From 13 to 52. So we're still doing big. It's NASDAQ, NSDQ. It's a live account, of course. So now this is my Wednesday, June 16. It looks like this. Thank you guys. Bye.